Hi everyone, Kasey Thompson here. I wanted to share a powerful vision that I had this morning. In this vision, I watched as a family gathered together, and they gathered around the family patriarch. He was in his late 80s, maybe 90s. He was taking his last breaths, and he laid there as he listened to his family, and they were sharing stories of when they were kids and going fishing and having picnics and going on road trips, going to places like Disneyland. And there was just a lot of laughing. There was just a lot of love. There was a lot of hugs. And Grandpa had this huge smile on his face as he took his last breath. And I asked my angels, what is this that I'm seeing? And my angels said, Kasey, material wealth is fake and temporary. It is fueled by ego. They said real wealth is what's eternal and can never be taken away. My angels said, for real eternal wealth, first start with gratitude by regularly acknowledging and appreciating everything that you already have. They said by doing this, it'll shift your focus from lack to abundance. And this creates a positive, energetic field that can attract more of what you desire. My angel said, realize that God will provide for all of your needs. By so doing, there becomes no room for doubts, and there truly becomes no room for having fear. My angel said, always thinking positive and mentally picturing your desired reality will align your thoughts and your actions with what goals you set. My angels say, when you engage in work that aligns with your passions and aligns with your talents and your purpose, it feels less like work and more like a joyful expression. They say this joy and dedication leads to greater success, which in return leads to greater financial rewards. My angels say serving the needs of others will also generate financial success as a byproduct. My angels say operating with honesty, integrity, and ethics in all your financial dealings builds trust and a strong foundation for long-term prosperity. My angel said, view assets and money as a trust from God. This means being mindful of your spending. It means saving wisely, and it means avoiding debt. It means sharing your resources with those in need. That is always ways to create a positive flow of abundance in your life. And my angels really emphasize, don't become overly attached to wealth. This detachment will help prevent anxiety or despair if things don't work out as you planned. That causes a lot of stress in people's lives. My angel said, remember, true richness comes from inner peace and contentment. Happiness should never, ever be dependent on finances. My angel said, meditation, prayer, and again, mindfulness can help you connect with your inner wisdom. It will help you connect and gain clarity and attract positive opportunities. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless. Love you all.